He can eat them.
He will. He's not a bitch like you. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen, hangover version. I went to my niece's wedding last night. It was beautiful. She married her love of her life and the father of her little girl, Stevie Chase. And the week before, we were in DC attending my other niece, Natalie's wedding, to her love of her life, Alex. So I have two new nephews, and they were both beautiful weddings.
I don't think you got to take so much advantage of the open bar.
Well, we did. I did.
You did.
And your brothers did.
No, just you.
Yeah, right.
Drink a couple bottles to yourself.
Yeah. So today we're making seriously soft molasses
What are you
cookies.
looking at?
I'm looking at the recipe.
You're not prepared today?
I am prepared. Look at how prepared I am. I don't remember everything that's on this because there's like 4 spices. I remember everything. I was good. You told me that even yourself that I was very good last night.
You told me. How old are you?
Old. Okay, so in here I have 3/4 of a cup of butter softened, a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of regular granulated sugar. In here I have 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, molasses, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. So I am on it. Yatch. And this is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So it says to incorporate these together and whisk them together. And then I'm going to cream together the butter and the sugars. I don't know if you want
to cream it?
Yes, yeah. Come and see how that looks. Straight down the sides. See? Looks like all together. Jesus, who's not on the ball?
Cord would have moved. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Idiot.
Hey, language. There's no need
That's
for name
idiot.
calling. There's no need for name calling.
Oh, if that's offensive,
I don't
Jesus,
appreciate
you
it.
are not my child.
Oh yeah, you should hear the things you used to call
Okay,
her.
so this, I don't know if anyone's baked before and has actually incorporated a floury substance into this contraption without having this there. You get flour everywhere. Been there, done that. So it's telling me to spoon the flour ingredients into it slowly. So I'm going to do a couple spoons. Come and look at this and smell it.
I'm not trying.
You are.
I'm not.
We'll see.
Well,
I'll call the Glog to come over and make your ass try one.
Listen, he doesn't want this problem either. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
He'd be afraid of your skinny ass. Come here. Come and smell it. Smell it. Are you going to smell it with the camera?
I mean,
I'll hold the camera.
yeah, hold it.
You can smell it. What was that from?
I don't like it.
You don't? Eric, come
I
here.
don't like it at all.
Eric James, come and smell these. Tell me these don't smell like fall.
I like it, yeah. What is that flavor?
It's molasses.
He can eat them.
He will. He's not a bitch like you. God.
I mean,
Well,
I don't need to call me names this whole episode. I've done nothing.
I'm trying to get more molasses in here because I shouldn't. It's like, don't have a little teeny spatula thingy.
Why don't you use a shovel?
Yeah, no kidding. So now I have to put these in the fridge, the dough in the fridge for an hour to chill. It says an hour to 2 to 3 days, and then there's no way I'm ever making.
Don't look at me, look at the camera. You're not telling me.
There's no way that I'm ever going to make something that takes 2 to 3 days.
How long are you putting this in the fridge for?
1 hour.
What's 2 to 3 days? What could possibly take 2 to 3 days?
I don't know. Processing the dough, I don't know. So we will be back in an hour, and that's when we come back, I'm going to have a bowl of sugar, and I'm going to make them into little balls and roll them in the sugar, and then that's how you bake them. I have my little cookie sheets here, my little cookie scooper. So when we come back, this will be ready to roll and put in the oven. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I love your comments. but it's the same people weekly commenting. I love Gina, Anna, my sister, a couple of my cousins. I don't know who all of them are, because some of their names I can't tell by their
You have the longest sign off in history.
YouTube names, but
I mean, please
please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back when these are chilled.
Jet, keep talking. You keep saying we'll be back.
I'm done. Hi, welcome back to Mama Deb's Kitchen. I'm sweating because my children were talking in the background. I need them to stop talking. The cookies are out of the fridge, or the dough, I should say. This dough smells so good, and I tasted a little bit of it, and it's good.
It doesn't smell like it.
Yes, it does. You're just a weirdo. So what we're gonna do, and I'm using my little granddaughter Charlie's pink bowl because pink is for girls. That's her saying that, but I agree. Sorry. We're gonna roll them in balls, and then we're gonna roll them in sugar.
Do you like rolling balls in your hand?
No. Dumbass. Rolling balls in my hands. Ugh, fuck.
Just need to have quite a touch with the balls.
Yeah.
You've done this before.
I have rolled cookies into balls before.
Ball expert, huh?
Yeah. Sweaty balls. Why do you do that to me?
Don't act like you
I
don't
think
talk
they're
like
getting
this
bigger
all
as we go.
the bigger the balls, the bigger the smile.
Like, no, probably not. Ew. Hang on your leg and shit.
How do you think balls hang?
I would not know.
I was gonna fast forward this part, but it's way too good content to.
Your job is so hard. You're holding a freaking camera. Oh. I think the piece just fell.
Just do your job.
That's
Let
the
me do
first
mine.
It is a rough day. Perfect timing, William. Did you hear that? The timer, the little temperature thing went off.
This is your typical Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, though.
For what?
The hangovers.
Oh, right. No, it's not. Okay. I'm going to roll these in sugar a little bit more. Okay. These two that I started at first. Okay. We're going in. And then I'll continue rolling more cookies. I'm going to set it at 10 to make sure they're cracking. And then we'll be back when they come out of the oven. Just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, perfect timing. That was just like spot on right there. We did that. So my timer went off. I peaked at 10 minutes and they did crack. And I'm so proud of myself. These look like ginger snap cookies from the old school when I grew up. I'm so proud of these.
From the 30s?
Yeah. Oh my God. They look like perfection. Let me get my spatula. Yeah, I had a really pretty one. Same child that broke my handle on my, remember my measuring cup, the pretty one?
Who was it?
Danny.
Is he your least favorite?
No.
Who's your least favorite?
No, I don't have one. Right now it's going to be you. I'm going to hit you with the spatula. So I had my little
That'll be the
cute
first
little
one.
utensil holder right here. And he was doing dishes away and he threw it back there. So we have to move my stove to get this, my really pretty spatula out. Eric, are you ready? It's kind of warm.
Yeah. Right now.
Yeah.
Eric, do you want a warm cookie?
Sure.
He's not falling for it.
What was I supposed to say?
Which one do you want?
I don't care.
Just pick one. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Look how pretty those look. And your glass of milk is ready for you. Don't tell me my children aren't spoiled. Here.
It's like it's way too hot.
It's
I need mine.
it's just. Was good? Yay! Don't they look pretty? Oh. I guess they are good.
2 for 1.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I don't know what I'm doing next week. What are we doing, Bill? I think I might make a different kind of enchiladas. Enchilada suizas, but that might be a might be. I might make a stew. It's a soup.
Why you don't make any promises right now?
Well, we're gonna tell Danny it's a stew because he claims he doesn't like soup.
What if he watches this?
And he can just go fuck himself.
Okay.
So anyways, yes. So thank you. These are a success. I'm gonna put these other 2 trays. As you can see, what I made a lot of cookies. Because that's over, that's 3, 6, 9, 11, 9, and then this was 18. So that's a lot.
I didn't know you could count that high.
Shut up. So it's 38 cookies I made today. 11, 9, and 8. 18, right? Okay. Is it?
11 plus 9 is 20, 20 plus 18 is 38.
Yes, that's right. All right, so please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next week. And hopefully I won't be hungover because this is kind of a... It actually made my hangover better today just to do something. Thank you so much again for joining me. And you'll love these molasses cookies. The recipe will be posted on
YouTube description.
Comment, comment, comment.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. And share. Sharing is the most important, really, because I need followers.
Subscribe.
Huh?
When they share, tell them to subscribe.
When they
When
share.
they share, tell people to subscribe.
Tell people to subscribe when you share it.
Say or else.
Huh?
Tell them or else. Threaten them.
No. Or else. Okay, we're good.